remain where you are. Shepherds will escort you from the premises.
Let me handle this.
Citizen, you are not authorized.
No citizens here.
Really?
What? Citizen implies we claim allegiance to a centralized authority. I think of myself as part of an anarcho-collective.
Citizen, your act of violence has been noted.
Alright. Guess we're doing this the old-fashioned.
Cease and desist.
I don't think so.
What? Destroy!
Reloading weapon.
Another dead shepherd!
Detain all lawful targets.
Put this to good use.
Hostile contacts identified.
Now it's done.
Great. So they know we're here. Smart guy. What now?
Now, new plan. We fight our way to the fabricator. Shit. Gotcha!
Detain all lawful targets. Unlawful citizens acquired.
Another shepherd destroyed! Alright, we're clear! Cracker! One dead cracker!
Hey! So, runaways, what's it like being on the other side of these bombs? Miss your old friend?
Give it a rest.
Unequal force authorized. Potential hostile target spotted. Activate suppression mode. Hostile contact spotted.
Fire in the hole!
We are authorized to subdue all hostile targets. Assaulting.
Alright, that's all of them. Anyone see a way out of here?
I see a security gate. A locked security gate.
Alright, hold up. Let me think for a second.
Whoa! JD, did you do that?
That wasn't me.
You sure you two aren't COG spies?
Uncle, please. You think the COG invented blue flares?
Saying they didn't? Well, even if you are spies, at least we didn't have to teach you how to fight.
Yeah, what is the deal with you outsiders? Most Arenas people couldn't fight their way out of bed.
Oh, You don't want Uncle teaching anyone. He taught me to fight. He's lucky I still speak to him.
Hey, I was very supportive.
That's one way to describe it. Not an accurate way, but a way.
All right, we're in the second ring. We should be getting close.
Look alive! DB's incoming!
Suppression. Unit relocating.
Here you go!
Hostile targets acquired.
Another dead shepherd!
Heads up! We got another card!
Engaging. Cease and desist immediately.
Ammo!
Cease and desist immediately.
Another shepherd destroyed!
Unlawful citizens acquired. Commencing reload.
Always get bored.
Investigating potential detainment targets. Engaging. Reload commencing.
Watch out!
We are authorized.
Another dead shepherd! Construction hub dead ahead!
Contact spotted. Assaulting. Potential hostile targets spotted.
Oh yeah! Another shepherd destroyed!
Moving weapon.
Oh tracker! I
Targets
know!
acquired. Targets engaged.
More DBs. Come and get it.
Unlawful citizens identified.
Up another tracker!
Activate suppression mode.
Better luck this time!
Cease and desist immediately. Suppression mode activated.
Another dead shepherd!
Look, the construction hub's just over that wall. Unless it...
Maddie Low!